Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Emirates boarding pass. Follow these detailed steps to download your Emirates boarding pass using the Emirates web app. The first thing you like to do is to launch your browser and go to the Emirates official website at emirates.com. Once you get into the website, follow through the on-screen prompts to sign up by creating a new account or to log in using an existing account details. After logging in, go to the Manage tab located in the top menu. And once you head over to the Manage tab, the next thing you're going to do is to locate the Manage Booking section. Now, there are a couple of things that you can do to retrieve your booking or to manage your booking. So just head over to Retrieve Your Booking and that's it. From the options here, that's on the Manage Booking page, enter your last name and the booking reference number, which is usually characterized by this character code. And once you're done, select Retrieve Booking. And that's going to walk you right into the booking details. In your booking details, look for the check-in section. If your flight is eligible for online check-in, which is typically 48 hours before the flight, click on the check-in button. Then complete the necessary steps for check-in, such as verifying your personal details, seat preferences, and any additional services. After completing the check-in process, your boarding pass will be displayed on the screen. You can review your flight details, including your seat number, flight times, and boarding gate. Now, you can choose to download the boarding pass. Once your boarding pass appears, click the download button. The boarding pass will be saved as a PDF file to your device. And you can also choose to either print the boarding pass immediately or save it to your mobile device for easy access at the airport. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded the Emirates boarding pass via the Emirates web app. Now you can go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.